Alright guys, today I'm going to be doing a shooting test of my Custom Magpul M4. I'm using a Turn-G 11.1 1200 milliamp hour LiPo, and it's in my crane stock. It's Tamiya, not Dean's. I'm getting it wired to Dean's soon, so trigger response will be a little bit nicer when I get that. And I was too lazy to load up my mid, so I'm just using a high cap. The target's about 100 feet, 120 feet away, and it's a little like balloon thing. I don't know, it's gonna make a pretty loud little tap when I hit it, so you'll know if I do. And do some semi first and full auto. Oh, I popped it. And full auto. I don't have a MOSFET in this thing yet, so it doesn't have active braking, so it's got a lot of overspin on full auto, but I guess that's okay for now. There we go. Let's go see what it did. Okay, so I was shooting a happy birthday balloon, and as you can see right on there's some, you know, where the BBs just barely went through the snow. It's kind of cool. So yeah, I'd say that's about 120 feet, 100, I don't know, something close to that. Oh, buddy. Oh, bud. Yeah, see, he's like, oh, I want to shoot. Oh. See, what's that? Did I shoot that? You killed it. Yeah, I did. So yeah, that's So yeah, that's the shooting test on my Custom M4. Hope you guys liked it.